Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, I am Lora Desidenila with name 1923 1128 from class D Natural Science Education, Padang State University. Okay, I will presentation article about the phenomenon of birds migration on the Dewata Island, Bali, and its relation to natural sky material. The phenomenon of birds migration on the Dewata Island, Bali. This is a photo of birds migration in Bali. This birds migration, in order to survive, these birds generally come from the northern hemisphere such as Russia, Japan, and China, which is entering winter. Because when their country of origin enters winter, the search of food in their original habitat decreases. That is what causes them to migration to tropical countries like in Indonesia. The migration relying on an amazing navigation system. Nagar Regency, West Bali, thousands of sparrows have attacked agricultural land that has turned yellow grains of rice as the flock of small birds. Not only sparrow, with herons or egrets often fly in groups across the rice fields. Pipit and egrets are examples of local birds that migrate in search of food. Survival is clearly the goal. Mount Sega is Bali is where hundreds of birds of prey or raptor often pass while migrating. They generally come from the northern hemisphere such as Russia, Japan, and China, which are currently entering winter. Mount Sega is Bali. Hundreds of birds of prey or raptor across the sky are not native to Indonesia but from the northern hemisphere such as Russia, Japan, and China. The distance traveled by these herd reaches thousands of kilometers to migrate to tropical climates such as Indonesia, reduce food sources in the herd native habitat due to winter alteration. Generally, raptors migrate to tropical regions around September to November. Every year, they will return to their natural habitat from March to May. Next, definition of migration birds. In the dictionary of birds note that migration is the movement of birds population that occur at a specific time each year, from breeding grounds to the feeding grounds for breeding a climate where it is not possible. Aspect of sky. 1. Aspek biologi. 2. Aspek fisik. Next, 1. Aspek biologi. The relation of the phenomena of birds migration on the Dewata Island of Bali with biological material is related to how to adapt, especially to feed or food in order to maintain the survival the migrating birds. Because the area of their origin enters a cold climate or cold temperature, because cold temperature reduces their food reserve, so they have to migrate for survival. Next, 2. Aspect fisik. The relation of the phenomenon of birds migration on the Dewata island of Bali with physical material, namely the Earth's magnetic field, because the Earth's magnetic field can help animals determine the direction of migration, find prey, or avoid enemies. Because there are cells that are magnetically sensitive. When flying birds as the sun and magnetic fields as composites. The magnetic compass in which the magnetic field functions as a direction is also used by several types of birds, especially those that carry out daily flight or distant seasonal flights. Magnetic compass is used as a direction of flight. Magnetic information serves as a magnetic map. Birds can fly over the Earth's surface because the Earth's magnetic field is an ever-present and reliable source of information. Okay, thank you very much. And that's all my presentation. Sorry if there is a word error, and I am end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.